Hi, my name is Caitlin from Next Level SEO OKC. I spoke with you guys earlier today on getting you this quick video with some tips and tricks on how to get some more customers through your guys' website. So I'll talk about three short things, content, backlinks, and citations. So when I talk about content, I'm meaning these words right here. So just your simple paragraphs about your business and your services. And you guys have about 359 words on your front page. Google really looks for 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then they really start optimizing your business. And so they start looking to you as the expert in this field. So you really want to get those numbers up. As well as if you go on here and hit save image, you can see what your image is named. And you don't want this anything like right there. It said, I wonder if I can get that back, serviceman hands. And so you really want that to have a name that has to do with your business. See right there, serviceman hands with wrench. So you want that to say something along the lines of, toilet plumbing or drain cleaning, like you guys have right here. You want that picture to be that way because Google cannot see the picture. They just see the name that the picture is. And so that'll really help your website to get to the top of Google. And if we go here, I just searched OKC plumbers. So I know you guys are in McLeod, Oklahoma, but you pop up under OKC. And really that's about the same area as far as customers are concerned. So when you Google that, you guys pop up way far in the listing right here of this organic listing. Now these two right here are just directories or review websites. So we go to this first one that's ranking organically with Google, which is Crazy Plumbing Oklahoma City. So once we click them, we go to their website, and their website's laid out pretty well, but they only have 900 words, so they're not too hard to beat to get to that 1,000 to 1,500 words on the front page. Now, one thing I do use is this website here. It's an analytic website, and it's called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. And this will just kind of give you a big bird's eye view of your website. So right here, DR means domain ranking, or really your website's power. Higher the number, the better. You guys have 0 power there. If we can get that up, you will get, quite a few more customers just from having that power. Backlinks. This is the other deal I wanted to talk about. Backlinks are the links that are driven to your websites. Or to your website. So you have 16 different domains or 16 different websites going to your website. So 56 links on 16 different websites coming back to your guys' business. So let's see here. Another huge power tool is organic keywords. Once you guys click that, you'll see here, you guys are really just ranking for your name. So you really want stuff in here like plumbing OKC, OKC plumbing, or McLeod plumbing, and we'll kind of show you guys why that is using the competition's bird eye view. So right here, they only have 3.3. That is not high. If you guys can get past them, or past that 3.3, you'll really be driving a lot more business. They do have 331 backlinks on 59 different domains. Here's where their power comes from. Because you can have a lot of referring domains, a lot of backlinks, but not a whole lot of power. Really, you want some good organic keywords all over your content, all over your page. So right here, plumbers OKC, 500 people search that a month. And they get 15 customers because they're number 5 on Google's page. There's about 10 different businesses on each page of Google, so they're on that first page. Right here, OKC Plumbing, there's only 80 people searching that, but they still get the same amount of customers because they're number 2. So really, if we took some of these and also implemented McLeod plumbing or plumbing McLeod, Oklahoma, you guys will find that you will drive a lot of power and a lot of business to your website. Last thing I want to talk about is right here. This is our Google Map Pack, or what we call Google Map Pack. It's the top 3 businesses that pop up when anyone searches your guys' industry. Really, you want a phone number right here, because if you can get a customer to you with 1 to 3 clicks without having to dial a number, research the website, any of that, they will come straight to you because you're the easiest to access. So when you go through here, you will first go to Google My Business and register your business with Google. You'll then, after a few days, get a postcard with a number. You'll type that number or that code into Google My Business, and now you're registered. Once you register, you will take the exact name, so how they have a comma and a period here, the exact name, your phone number, and your address, and go put these on directories, therefore creating a citation. And citations are just that, your name, address, and phone number. Once you do that, you will be able to boost straight to the top of this Google Map Pack. And, there's 350 different directories to create citations for Oklahoma City, and that includes the area of McLeod. So you can go to any location or local citation finder, type in your business, and you will see that you guys have 19 citations. Then type in your direct competition, and this certain competition, they have 42 different citations. So I just click them, and this is what I could do for you guys. I can just go through here, search all these different websites or directories, and contact them and get you guys on there. Once you're on quite a few of these, we will repeat this month after month, week after week, and get you guys a lot of citations so that your power really builds straight to your website. If you guys have any questions or anything I can help you with further, please give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. My name's Caitlin. You can call me at 405-627-2693 or email me at my first name, Caitlin, at nextlevelseookc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.